If you've ever written a draft about something you genuinely care about, a hobby, a local history project, a personal essay, and then hesitated to hit publish because it didn't have a viral hook, a 7-step growth framework, or a high-converting sales funnel, I want to tell you something clearly. You're not doing it wrong. You've just been caught in something I call the guru trap. And today, we're breaking out of it. It's a bit ironic really, isn't it? A lot of us love reading about our hobbies because we're looking for advice and tips. And when we decide to start writing about it, it's often to pass on those little pearls of wisdom that we've learned. And right at the start, we're just the kind of folk that go looking for advice on how to do it, how best to start writing. I know I did, and I guess that's why you're here today. But there's a massive difference between being the friend in the know who can lend a helping hand and get you going with a simple, easy start, and the follow my method or it's wrong gatekeeping guru who insists you buy into their system. The thing is, a lot of the writing advice out there isn't actually writing advice at all. It's a pretty cynical pyramid marketing scheme designed to turn you into some mighty marketing machine. Gurus dangling the "look at how successful you could be, but not quite as successful as me" carrot in front of you. And they're good at their job, they know what they're doing. I've nearly fallen for it myself a couple of times. You know the sort of thing. Even if it's not join my course or members only community, it's the only way to succeed is to purchase this product through my affiliate link. And that's a surefire way to take all the joy out of writing about your hobby and turn it into a mercenary project that will burn you out. What's the difference then between someone who has some hints, tips and tools that can genuinely get you off to a good start and someone who's trying to get you to spend a month's wages on a course you'll never finish? The difference comes down to 3 simple things: intent, expectation, and permission. First, intent. A guru's system is designed to make writing feel artificially complicated so that you feel dependent on their next module, their next upgrade, or their private community. A genuine helper wants to make writing feel simple so you can put the tools down and actually go write something. Second, expectation. The gurus tell you that unless you're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, a high converting funnel, and 5 posts a week, you're failing. They treat your brilliant little hobby like a venture-backed tech startup. But real online writing isn't about hyperscaling. It's about finding your first few people who care about exactly the same niche that you do. And third, permission. Gatekeepers want you to believe there is a one true way to write on the internet. That if you don't use their exact hook formula, their little system, you're not allowed at the table. I'm here to tell you that nobody owns the blank page. You don't need a license, a $1,000 course, or an algorithm's blessing to share what you know about your passion. You just need a little bit of structure, a clear idea, and the confidence to press publish. That's why I put together my New Writer Bundle. It's not a course or a membership or anything like that. It's just a bunch of tips and writing prompts that I wish I had when I started. And yes, I offer a few paid products and services on top of that, but you'll never find a more anti-guru supporter to lend a helping hand as you carry on your writing journey. I left a link to the bundle down in the description, and I reckon it's just the right set of tools to get you going as quickly and easily as possible. And if you're with me on the non-guru anti-spam path, then this video is exactly where to go next. Thanks for watching, and as always, the very best with your writing. Cheers.